In this guide, I'm gonna clear out the reason behind Disney Plus not working and how to fix it. First up, check the server status of Disney Plus. For that, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website like Down Detector, search for Disney Plus. Now, if you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. If not, you can follow other steps. Check your internet connection, switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Give a fresh restart to your router. Next, restart your Disney Plus app and your device as well. Then, update your Disney Plus app. Navigate to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Disney Plus. If you see the option of update, click on it. Next, clear cache and app data. For that, launch settings. Go to General. Click on iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Disney Plus and launch it. Now click on Upload app and confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. Next up, if you're connected to VPN or proxies, disable it as it can cause login errors. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, completely delete Disney Plus app. Press and hold on the Disney Plus app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Disney Plus and install it. So that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.